Hey Geeks, Tim Tibbetts as always with you from MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to add the file hash to the context menu. I know we got some geeks out there on Major Geeks who like to verify file integrity, and this is a neat little way to do it. I prefer to download the registry files, but you can edit the registry yourself. We got the code for you. So you'll follow this link right here, and this article will be linked to in the video description. And just click anywhere right here and download it, and when you do, you will have where'd it go here? I got a mess going on here doing a couple videos at the same time. Right here. You can actually just click it and run it without extracting the file. So it's add and it's remove. Click run. And just follow the prompts. And then let's make sure it worked. Right there. And there's your hash. Pretty neat, right? So, simple to do. There's a lot of programs on Major Geeks as well that do this, but this is a nice way to do it right in. So here's your code. Just highlight the code. I'm sure most of you geeks know how to do this, but for a handful of people who might want to try it, highlight the code, click copy, and you're going to want to right click on your desktop and do a new text document. Open that text document and Control V to paste the code in. Go ahead and close it and click save. Now we want to rename this anything you want with a reg. Add hash dot reg. Now of course this assumes that you have file name extensions turned on. It's File Explorer, View tab, file name extensions. Otherwise you won't see it. Even though you add hash.reg, there'll be another dot after it with a text that you don't see because you don't see the file name extensions. So once that's done, you just double click it and it's going to do the exact same thing you just saw us do. Now if you want to remove it, that isn't much different either. You make the same thing but with this little tiny code, and you just basically, I'll just show you quick. We could actually edit it. Oh, stop making me look bad. Oh, that's right, because I saved it as a reg. There we go. So we can do Control V, and once you do that, save it. And of course back up your registry before you start playing around, because I had one computer that didn't work correctly on, and it's one way or the other, whether it's a file or whether you create your own. And as you can see, it's gone. So, but once again, make sure you back up your registry. We usually put a link in here somewhere on how to back up your registry. Ah, there you go. Look at that. At least we're consistent. So there you go. And that's how you add file hash to your context menu. Neat little trick. Thanks as always for watching. Click like if we helped. Subscribe if we helped. See you next time.